How much should you actually spend on a shallow well jet pump? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, AQSTRONG 1.5 HP Pump. The AQSTRONG 1.5 HP shallow well jet pump really caught my eye, especially with its price tag of $349. This pump is a best-seller for a reason. If you want optimal water flow for your irrigation needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It offers a remarkable flow rate of 69.99 gallons per minute, with a max head of 108 feet, making it ideal for large yards or gardens. The dual voltage option, 115-230V, means you can easily set it up based on your existing power supply. With over 300 units sold in the last month and a solid 4.4-star rating from 211 reviews, you can trust its performance. Now, some people complained about the noise level, saying it can be a bit on the louder side. Here's the thing though, while it might be noisy for some, if you're using it outside or in a shed, it likely won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you have a large garden or lawn that needs consistent watering. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact and quiet for indoor use. Given its durability and efficiency, I'd say it's a solid value for the money. Now, if the noise level is a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AQSTRONG 2 HP Pump. Next up is the AQSTRONG 2 HP Shallow Well Jet Pump, priced at $399. This pump is designed to provide an impressive 86 gallons per minute, making it a powerhouse for irrigation. If you want maximum efficiency and a heavy-duty option, this is worth a serious look. It also features a reinforced impeller and diffuser to ensure high efficiency and flow. Users appreciate the automatic thermal overload protection, which means you won't have to worry about overheating. It's a hassle-free pump that keeps your lawn green and thriving. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 138 reviews, it's clear that it's making a positive impact. That said, some reviews mention it can be difficult to install due to the weight. Here's the thing, if you have the right tools and a bit of experience, it's manageable. But if you're a DIY novice, you might want some help. This is perfect for you if you have a larger property that demands a lot of water. Skip this one if you want something lightweight or easy to install without assistance. It's a great investment if you need serious pumping power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Aquare Convertible Pump. Let's check out the Aquare Shallow Deep Well Jet Pump, available for $208.99. This one really stands out with its versatility, handling well depths up to 90 feet. If you want something that can adapt to different well types, this is worth a serious look. Why does this product solve your problem? It's convertible, meaning it works for both single pipe wells up to 25 feet and 2 pipe wells up to 90 feet, which gives it a broad range of applications. The dual voltage motor is a plus. It operates safely on both 115V and 230V, ensuring it fits into most setups effortlessly. Plus, it comes with an automatic pressure switch that maintains water pressure in your home, which is super convenient. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear users are satisfied with its performance. Some users mention that it can be a bit noisy at times. But honestly, for the price and the features you get, it's a small trade-off for such a capable pump. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile pump that can handle different depths. Skip this one if you're only dealing with shallow wells. Given its price and features, it really offers great value. Now, if you need something with a bit more power, let's move on to our next option. Product number 4, Red Lion Premium Pump. Next, we've got the Red Lion RJS 100 PREM 1 HP Shallow Well Jet Pump, which is priced significantly higher at $791.36. If you're looking for a premium option that promises reliability, this is worth a serious look. The rugged cast iron casing ensures it'll last for years, and the included pressure switch means you can easily monitor your system's performance. With a max pressure of 65 psi and a max head of 150 feet, it's built for serious performance. It's no surprise it has a 4.1-star rating from 1,400 reviews. However, some users have pointed out that at this price point, they expected quieter operation. Here's the thing though, if you value performance and durability over noise, this pump is still a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you prioritize longevity and consistent performance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or if you need something compact. While it's a larger investment, it's built to last, making it a solid choice for serious users. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, let's explore our final product. Product number 5, Aquare Budget Pump. Lastly, we have the Aquare Shallow Deep Well Jet Pump at a budget-friendly price of $189.99. This is a great pick if you're looking for something affordable yet effective. If you want a solid pump without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This pump can handle well depths up to 90 feet and has a flow rate of 24 gallons per minute. It also features the dual voltage motor, making it versatile for most setups. The automatic pressure switch ensures that you'll have a steady supply of water, which is crucial for any household. With 1,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that people are happy with their purchase. The downside here is that some users have mentioned it requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Here's the thing, if you're okay with basic upkeep, you'll find this pump to be a reliable option for your water needs. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still need reliable performance. Skip this one if you want a hands-off, maintenance-free option. Given its price, it delivers excellent value for those who are willing to put in a little extra care. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the AQASTRONG 1.5 HP and 2 HP pumps for those needing significant power, the versatile Aquare convertible pump for varying depths, the premium Red Lion pump for reliability, and the budget-friendly Aquare option for great value. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your specific needs best.